Hello friends, this is the part 14 of being a homeopathic psoriasis specialist. Today we are doing two videos at the same time because yesterday I didn't do a video. I have decided to do it all 30 videos. So this video we will just talk about the next thing. You see, whenever you established a homeopathic practice, and nowadays now you see the technology days are there. You must have a technology. Even in those days, I started my practice in 1988, and in 1992 I had my computer, and since then I'm using computer. So those days computers were very costly, or still there, but that technology has given me an edge. Today also, it's very common that there are a lot of softwares in the computers, and in homeopathy it does help. But I'm telling you about the competitive things. Number one is about the softwares, we'll talk someday. Another thing, that how much technology and how much technology knowledge is needed to you. Yes, you need a knowledge of technology. But so far, I will tell you other than technology today, and we'll talk about the technology tomorrow. Number one, technology is essential. But in homeopathic practice, two-thirds of your practice is the homeopathic case taking. The study of a patient is two-thirds. Don't underestimate it. Because if you study a patient completely, wholly, correctly, that is the basis of your practice on which you are going to prescribe. But other knowledge, that is knowledge of medicine, knowledge of repertory, knowledge of materia medica, all this knowledge is the one-third. And this one-third knowledge, you have got the technology for that. You see, today technology is there. You use this technology for the one-third of knowledge, but still, like Dr. Hanneman said, that two-thirds of your success is on examination of the patient. So I am talking little different than the technology today. Although I am of the opinion of technology is very important, but the technology is the one-third part. Two-third part is you must be expert in taking an information, in observation of the patient, and that only a human being can do it. There is no technology for this, for studying of patient, for case taking. And you see, that is a very important aspect, and that aspect cannot be taught in the colleges, that cannot be read in the books. That aspect is to be practiced, is to be every day you practice, every day you talk to the patient sincerely, all this thing. Patients will teach you that. Practice will make you perfect. So the basic thing is the case taking, and the real teacher for the case taking. There are guidelines in the books, but the practical thing that will give you is the patients, talking to the different type of patients, taking the cases very sincerely. Put more and more time in the very beginning of your practice. Be patient. Don't be hurried in doing that. Even suppose you are taking case and outside there are a lot of patients, don't make a compromise. You make a separate timing for new patients and old patients in the beginning. Explain the patient what I used to do in the beginning. If the patient, there are patients outside and I don't have much time for a new case, I will say, sir, number one, I would like to give a special time to your case. What do you think about that? I want to study you very sincerely. And now this is not the time that I'm not in the time or in a mood or these things, because I have to see a lot of patients, and the patients will be impatient if they wait for a long time, and I want to give a special time for that. Will you come for that? He agreed. He was very happy that doctor is giving me. I say, you are a new case, so please devote some more time, or I will give you some remedy for the time being. Okay, but you please come back and we shall have a special time for you, and I will take your case. You see, that increased my practice. That increased my patience, because they felt special. And I had a separate time for them. Suppose 9 o'clock my clinic is there, definitely in the beginning people don't come. Or I will give an appointment to the old patient after 10 o'clock and I'll ask you come tomorrow at 9 o'clock. If he comes at 9 o'clock, I'll give him. But if he comes at 10 o'clock, I say, sorry, sir, please come tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Because now my old patients are there, I won't be able to care. Once he goes back, next time he will exactly come 9 o'clock. Don't compromise, even there are no patients. Even tell him that I start your case taking, a new patient comes whose appointment is there, I will see him. Be specific, have a habit. These things you do in your practice and be sincere to the case taking. And you see, if you take a proper case taking, proper examination, your diagnosis will be correct. People will be happy for your diagnosis. They will get a good results. And they will tell other people, yes, his doctor is sincere, go in time, he will study you very sincerely. And you see, that will make your advertisement. And that way people will also come in time. You see, this is a thing very important, and technology has its place. The practice has its place. The experience that it has a place. Number one, this you follow. Number two, very about experience, I'll tell you. Whenever patients comes and they experience, always you see in your doctors also, whenever you meet other doctors, people usually talk too much about their successes. And actually people won't believe unless you prove it. So first prove it. Let the patient talk about your successes. You don't talk yourself about success. If you talk yourself about successes, you see, that's boring to the patient. Even if he talks about his success, also, okay, thank you, it's the homeopathy. Don't take to you personally. Always be humble. You say, okay, it's okay, homeopathy is like that. I'm just one of the follower of homeopathy. Be humble. Don't say I am so much great and all these things. Let the people tell you that you are great, not yourself. Follow these things. You see, definitely this is a small suggestion to you. Devote and more time in studying the patients, talking to the patients. You see, that will give you an age, knowledge of observation of the cases, and using homeopathy it is very important. And gradually then you will devise your own system. Initially it may take you 1 hour, 2 hour for one case, but gradually if you do follow the same thing, actually you can minimize the time later in small. But initially practice and practice is very important to the patient. And please follow that. We'll be talking about some more subject again. Thank you.